Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to switch on and off your passenger's airbag on a Dacia Duster. So let's have a seat at the passenger side, and we are going to install an children's seat on the passenger side. We are going to open the door on the passenger side, and on the right side of the cockpit you can see a switch. This switch you are able to push in, then rotate it to off or on. That means on this switch you are going to switch off and switch on the passenger's airbag system. So now you can see, now it's off. That means we have switched off the passenger's airbag system. Now we are going to install a children's seat on the passenger side, and if the car engine is still running, you can see this LED over there on the left side at the cockpit. Then you can see that the passenger's airbag system is off. This is important because now the airbag is not have the security enforcement if you have an accident with a car. But this is important if you install a children's seat, which the children is turned around. That means the children is looking at their backside of the car while you are driving. Then you have to switch it off. If you disassemble the passenger's side seat, then you're going to switch on the system again. This is important because now a standard passenger have a seat at the passenger side and the view is to the front side. Then it's important that the airbag system is still working. In case of emergency, the airbag will have a supporting moment in a case of emergency, in case of an accident. That means on the right side, at the door, on the right side of the cockpit, you can switch on and off the airbag system of your passenger side. Switch it off if you install a passenger side children's seat, and switch it on again, immediately on, if the seat is disassembled. Then everything is working again with the airbag system, and the LED will switch off. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and see you next time again soon.